It's that time of year again. Or maybe it's not. But one thing's for sure, you don't want to miss the greatest cream corn recipe on the planet. It's ridiculously easy, creamy, and guaranteed to outshine every other dish on the table. So stay tuned while I teach you how to kick ass at the company potluck with today's recipe, the eye-rollingly delicious creamed corn. We're going to start with two 16-ounce bags of frozen corn, which we will thaw completely before cooking. Believe it or not, I actually used my salad spinner to rinse and spin the corn to speed up the process. But you can also use a large colander if you don't have a salad spinner. So then, to a deep skillet, add the corn, cream, sugar, salt, and pepper. You can find the complete recipe in the description for the list of ingredients and their amounts. You might be surprised by how few ingredients it takes to make ordinary frozen corn into something so spectacular. It actually makes all other corn recipes seem insignificant. Over the years, I've seen this recipe turn countless unsuspecting guests into cream corn converts, what I like to call corn stalkers. If you've ever watched any of our videos here at ODOS, you know I try to spice them up with a little humor, and believe me, I tried my damnedest to come up with any kind of decent corn jokes, but they're literally all too corny and lame. So instead, I'll just give you a little history. Did you know that traditional creamed corn originated in the Midwest and southern United States and was made with fresh, sweet corn, and the creaminess in the dish came primarily from scraping the milky residue from the cob once the kernels were removed? You did? Well, you deserve a gold star. Don't hurt your shoulder patting yourself on the back. But let me just say, there are times that the past can't compete with the present, and that's why those who say corn is a four-letter word obviously never tasted the thick, creamy goodness of what you see here. Oh yeah. So if you're looking for something creamy and delicious to serve your dinner guests that will have them moaning with pleasure in under 15 minutes, you've found the secret. Trust me on this one. This is the world's best creamed corn. You're going to love it, so give it a shot. And happy holidays, everyone. And remember, cook smart and not hard.